morning. I am out here, beautiful morning, ready to do our pergola. As you can see, when we put this up, we put it up green and we stained it knowing that it should sit for about 6 months or so before applying, but we went ahead and did anyway because winter was coming. So about 6 years out now, we're about ready to do it again. We'll be doing some different things to get it done, but excited to hopefully see a darker, refreshed pergola area out here dress up our patio. What are you guys up to today? I'll be showing some bits and pieces along the way, but I'm excited to get this done because when this is done, it means I can get back inside to finishing our living room remodel. So lots on our plate, but we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel with this house. Here's my stain of choice called Cordovan Brown and a bare exterior. Let's turn around here, you can see. This is a solid stain. That means it'll not only protect it from the elements, but be a dense color, so long lasting. Using some rollers and brushes. Could use my home right sprayer that I love. I wanted to be able to do this with my daughters and have some fun out here working together, and didn't want to be blasting them with stains, so here we're gonna have some fun. Much better. You can see the difference there. Woohoo! All right. Well, isn't that better? Oh my goodness, what a little DIY elbow grease can do to spruce up a place. Now we've cleaned, we've stained, we're ready to go. The last thing we wanted to do out here was build a custom sectional, nice big one that fits all 8 of us. This kind of feels like a kiddie toy for us as a large family, but it suits the space. And I just want to encourage you to don't be afraid to try. Definitely feel free to ask questions on what we've done, how we do it, if we didn't answer things already. But check out our shed remodel we have in the background there in some of the pictures you see. My other video shows how we demoed that, took it down to bare bones and rebuilt it from the ground up. We have a super easy tutorial, show you how to install a fire pit like we have in our backyard. I've also have a tutorial on my blog at prodigalpieces.com, showcasing a faux fireplace like you see by our dining table here on the patio. Lots of tutorials we've shared with you over the years, definitely how to update your furniture with stain and ways to do that the simple way. I have all the links down below to this blog post. You can see more information there and other blog posts related to this project, such as building the table and the benches and different things, that planters, all kinds of things. Like I said, we've been doing this for years. I've been doing this for about 8 years now, and excited to share what we have. Be sure to ding that bell icon, subscribe to my channel, leave some love below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to head over to my blog, sign up for the free email newsletter. It comes right to your inbox. You can choose to have it as posts go live or as often as weekly recap, so you get it kind of a couple at the same time. But invite you to join us and our family as we continue our adventure. We're headed probably back inside to finish our living room remodel, and we'll be sharing our family room because it is complete too. We just haven't got around to putting together that yet, so much to share. Until next time, bye.